Pikes Peak. It's about to be morning. Oh, that high scenery. And now, let's keep on going. Ooh, that's cool. That's nice. All right, it's...
Fuck these crazy people, dude. Going down it?
Good job.
Oh, what did I say, man?
This way. Well, I made it to the top of the stairs, but I'm still going though. Well, I'm alone now, but I got up the stairs. Now I went a little bit further up past the stairs, which it's not that hard. And then now it comes down into this valley. That's what this guy said. So, really glad I met him. He's a really cool dude. So, I'll tell you that. I don't know how far away I am, but the stairs took me up quite a bit. But I have a long ways to go because it's a 10 hours altogether. So, I got up here Monday at 5 in the morning. I left at 3 a.m. It only took 2 hours. 2-hour drive from Loveland to here. Hey, oh, what is that? The summit? There's no way. I think I can see it. Holy shit, it's nice up here. I brought my jacket in my bag. I had to stuff it in there. That's right. That's for the summit, which I'm gonna get to. That's the goal. Some sheer drops here, some cliffs. 10 miles. I don't even know what time it is, but well, Pikes Peak, 6.5 miles. Other sign says 7.5 miles. You know, a while back ago, so we have a long ways to go. Oh, fun. This is Outback. Oh. What is this? Oh, cool. Hey, you have a nice one. 6 miles. I don't know what time it is. Something. Still climbing the mountain. I think it's 10:30 right now. Maybe I'm 2.5 miles away. 2 miles? We'll find out the next side. It's tough.
Hi.
Do not climb. I'm prepared to hike right now.
Oh, we found it. It doesn't matter.
I'm close. Elevation's getting high. I'm feeling wonky as hell. But it looks like I need to go that way. up there. I'm almost to the top. Look, I see the building up there. I'm so close. And then we got this sheer cliff. Oh, that looks fun. It looks like a storm's coming in almost. So if I don't make it in time, well, not good. I managed this, the Cirque, 15,000 feet drop. That's talking about this. Shit, it's snowing. And I haven't even made it to the top yet. Oh my god. Hopefully that passes. That's bad. It is cold. Yep. Okay, I made it. Finally. It's cold, but it's not too bad. I can stand it. Blizzard's not gonna stop me. Bring it on. Oh. There you go. Yeah. Oh, go. Thanks. Gold time. Blizzard out there. I almost had to walk back in that, but I somehow got a seat on this. I'm so lucky. Oh man, that would have sucked. Dude, it's blizzard. That's a snowing. Damn.